Hey everyone, Michael here. I'm so excited. This is the moment. My books came in the mail, and so I'm gonna unbox them and talk about them. Today is launch day for my book on Revelation. And there it is. Revelation Applications for the Modern Christian. This, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit surreal. I've been putting so much work on this. It's probably been 2 years of research and writing and editing and re-editing. It's just, there's something special about having a new book that you've worked on. This is something I started on at Tunnel Hill as a series that we preached last year. And it really grew into something that I really believe in. This has been something really different to work on and challenging. This is not just another end times prediction book. It's not going to tell you who the Antichrist is or give you a rapture timeline. What it is a chapter by chapter walk through one of the most misunderstood books in the Bible, with one question driving every single page: what does this mean for how I live today? Now, if you've ever wanted to study Revelation but felt intimidated, overwhelmed, or just, tired of fear and speculation, well, this book was written for you. That's why I'm so excited about it. One of my favorite things about this book is how it impacted our local church. From the time we started this series until the end, honestly, our attendance almost doubled. And much more important than that, we saw real life change. People became less afraid and more aware. They became less afraid of the challenges that we're facing and more aware of what it means to follow Jesus. And then when the war in Iran began, months after we had preached this series, so many people mentioned to me they were incredibly grateful we had studied Revelation, because it really gave them a sense of peace and calm. It helped them see through the lies and the deception that so often fill our hearts with despair. And so if you need that kind of new perspective, then honestly, this book is definitely written with you in mind. You can grab a copy. You can grab your copy right now. There'll be a link in the comments. Just go to revelation.churchlit.com. If you've already read it, even a small part of it, because it's been available online and there's some excerpts floating around, I'd love to hear from you. Seriously, please leave a review on Amazon. If there's even 1 or 2 reviews, it makes a big impact. So if you've read any part of it, or if you've ordered it and you're excited about it, please leave a review. I hope you enjoy Revelation Applications for the Modern Christian.